Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to send pictures on Tinder. Many of you out there might be wondering if you can send pictures to one of your matches on Tinder or not. Well, unfortunately, the answer is no. But there is a way that you can send photo links to your matches on Tinder. Fashion video till the end. Know to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by typing open a web browser first. You can open up any web browser you have. I'm opening up my Chrome web browser for today's video. Now, as soon as you open up the web browser in the search area at the top, type in PRNT SE and search now. From this website, you'll be able to see a Browse Images option at the top of the screen in blue. Tap it on and choose an action from the expanded menu at the bottom. Tap on Files and open up any image files that you'd like to send to your matches. In my case, let me click on the first image that I have on my phone. Once I selected, wait until it processes and uploads. The website will now generate a link for the photo. Copy the link and then open a Tinder dating application. Make sure you're signed into your account. At the bottom of the page, navigate to the chat area by tapping on the chat icon and open up a conversation. Now simply paste the link into the conversation text box. After you're done, tap on the send button right next to the conversation area. And just like that, you'll be able to send a picture link on Tinder. That is the only way you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll soon be back with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.